As of today, India has registered nearly 2 lakh coronavirus cases and 5,598 deaths. India is currently undergoing a massive unlocking exercise. At the same time, a high-profile Italian doctor has said that the potency of the coronavirus across the world is apparently losing its intensity, that it's becoming weaker, and that's why perhaps not so many infections are being registered and the death rate is not as high as it was in its early stages. The World Health Organization, meanwhile, has rejected this claim. Now, Delhi, of course, like the rest of the country, is also undergoing an unlocking exercise. So, on this episode, let's focus on the national capital. For 1 week from now, the national capital is going to seal off its borders, as announced by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. He's going to do this as a measure to not let patients into Delhi, which is already reeling under a massive number of coronavirus cases. It's second only to Maharashtra. So to ensure that hospitals are available to Delhiites, the Chief Minister has for 1 week sealed off its borders. Meanwhile, neighbouring states have also sealed off their borders to Delhi because they attribute the rising number of cases in their areas to movement of people from the national capital. The Chief Minister Kejriwal said that the borders will be reopened after 1 week after getting feedback from the citizens of Delhi as to whether or not lift the restrictions at the borders. Now let's take a quick look at what all is now permitted in Delhi in the phase of unlocking that we're going through now. Barber shops and salons are permitted, but spas are not. Markets can open up, shopping complexes can open up without the odd-even rule that was there before. Auto rickshaws, e-rickshaws can start plying. Even scooters with the pillion riders are going to be permitted. So the bar on the number of passengers has been lifted. Buses can operate with up to 20 passengers. No one should be standing inside the buses. Industries can reopen without staggered shifts. Restaurants can only reopen for takeaways and home delivery. No dine-in is permitted even now. All offices are going to start functioning, but the government encourages work from home as far as is possible, and construction activities, of course, have already been permitted. As far as the things that are going to remain closed are concerned, malls are going to remain closed for now. Hotels and restaurants, the dine-in services are not going to function. Places of worship, which was permitted by the MHA guidelines, the Delhi government has said that places of worship for now will remain shut. Metro services are not going to function. There will be a decision on schools and colleges much later, not now. Spas are not opening. Cinemas, gyms, swimming pools, theatres, auditoriums, assembly halls, closed spaces where gatherings take place are not going to be permitted. Social, religious, sports, cultural, academic functions and gatherings are also not permitted. These are the updates for today. Thanks for watching.